Hi guys, today we are touching the very interesting topic where not only we will going to help you to build the competitors, whereas it will going to help you to increase your profit. Recently, I was reading a book where Warren Buffett refers how to invest in the business and what type of companies to choose. I hope everyone knows about Warren Buffett. He is one of the richest person in the world. He chose the companies wisely and that is why he built the 100 billion worth. He shared the secret called economic moat. I will going to explain this term with an example. Moat word is derived from the old stories where the channel is dug around the castle filled with water and the crocodile to give the protection from the enemies. वो गहरा तालाब जो किले को चारों तरफ से सुरक्षित रखे ताकि कोई शत्रु उस पर कब्जा ना कर सके. सेम वे इकोनॉमिक मोट इज वेयर द बिजनेस बिल्ड अ डिफिकल्ट एरिया फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटर्स टू अटैक सो दैट they gain the competitive advantage. With the times, nobody can attack their business, and with this they maintain the competitive advantage over the competitors in order to build the long-term profits. In simple words, competitors can't even imagine to come into your business and fight with you. That's where the story began, guys. In India, there are large number of companies who build the moat around their business. अब moat तो build हो गया around the business, पर क्या ये मोट ड्यूरेबल यानी कि विश्वसनीय है या नहीं? देयर इज अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट इज ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ योर मोट. आई विल गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस विद एन एग्जांपल. सपोज you have decided to build the good pharma company. Now, instead of buying the raw material every week, if you buy that in bulk, you will be able to save your cost by 30%, and that will going to undercut your prices and build the competitive edge. Your low prices will going to lead to the increase in the number of customers in spite of the competitors, and this will going to increase your profits. However, it won't take much time for your competitors to notice your method and apply that in their business. This means you build the small moat which everyone can cross easily and attack your business. For the short term you can increase your profit but not for the long term. कुछ समय तो आपने पैसा बनाया पर ज़्यादा दिन के लिए नहीं बना पाए. हमें कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए कि जिसे पार कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल हो. Now suppose you developed any formula which is called API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, or you import any patent technology which will help you to increase the 30% more medicines within the same price or money. This time your competitors will have no way of duplicating your methods because you are protected by your patent, copyright, technology and the new ingredient. So the takeaway is your economic moat can be anything which your competitors can't beat easily. I know guys, there are plenty of questions raising up in your mind that what type of moat you build for your business. Seriously, it needs lot of discussion and intense planning, so you can connect me or my team for this. By the way, I am Megha Malik, brand consultant from designerpeople.com. We have the experience of working with 2000 plus clients around the world. That's all about my small introduction, but don't worry guys, my intention is always to help you with my videos, so that is why I am sharing the small description about how to create the moat. The first and the most popular moat is cost advantage. As I discussed in the above example, the cost advantage that competitors cannot replicate is an effective competitive moat. Companies with significant cost advantage can undercut the prices of the competitors that move into their business. दाम जितना कम जीत उतनी लंबी. Some of the factors which influence your cost are raw material, your workforce, land or property, taxes, etc. For example, in India, Shree Cement get an advantage of getting the cheaper raw material for cement by its location. The second moat is size advantage. Being big can sometimes in itself create an economic moat for a company. At a certain size, company achieves the economies of scale. This reduces the overhead cost in areas such as financing, advertising and the production. Business जितना बड़ा, competitors उतने कम. Third is high switching cost. When a company is able to establish its business in the industry, your supplier or the customer may subject to high switching cost whether they opt the new competitor or not. आपको छोड़ के जाने का भुगतान बहुत ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. Fourth and one of my favorite is intangible. Another type of economic moat can be achieved through the intangible assets. such as patents, government licenses, and the brand recognition. Strong brand name recognition allow these types of companies to charge the premium for their goods and services as compared to their competitors. Once the brand is built in the market, your product value increases so as your profits. Fifth is the soft moat. Soft moat may be created by exceptional management, unique corporate culture, and the unique leadership. Overall, company's environment help in creating this moat. So these are the types of moats which anyone can build around their business. And trust me guys, economic moats are difficult to pinpoint when they are created. Their effects are much more easily observed in long run when the company has risen to great heights. मोट क्रिएट करना मुश्किल है बट नामुमकिन नहीं. टाइम और प्लानिंग के साथ बस आप करते चलिए. I think that's all for today guys. Thanks for giving your valuable time. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel. We have an experience of working with 2000 plus clients worldwide. If you want to stand out your brand in the crowd, do connect me via website www.designerpeople.com. We are in the mission of giving the positive impact to 1 million Indian businesses. Stay safe and stay happy.